P&O Ferrymasters as a logistics service provider is well experienced with using rail and intermodal solutions in Europe. We were looking at also a rail connection within the UK, a domestic solution. Our customers are more and more looking at sustainable solutions. So we were looking at a good partner to support us on the decarbonisation piece in the UK. We're running since September a train 5 times a week, so almost a daily service between the P&O Ferries terminal in Tilbury and the Freightliner terminal in Trafford Park. The main customer for this solution is Nestlé and San Pellegrino, the Italian water brand. For them, sustainability is extremely important, and we see it with more and more customers of P&O Ferrymasters. They really want to go to zero emission. So of course you could look at EVs or HVO, but the biggest win is simply move it from road onto rails. That is the biggest win, especially on international and long distance. In our search for a reliable partner for the UK domestic, we spoke with different companies. For us, Freightliner stood out in the sense that they would be or could be a neutral operator of the train. So not only running a train, but also commercialize it to the open market. We don't want to have a train service for us alone. If the train is running and other people would like to make use of it, we would be very welcome to it. With Freightliner as a neutral operator in between, they can be an ideal supplier and partner on that. Next to that, Freightliner is not only offering the rail service, but they have huge assets within the UK. I would say they're one of the biggest when you look at rail in UK. They have the terminals, they have the wagons, they have the locos. We could build in a full solution with only one partner, that's Freightliner. For this solution, we have also worked together to implement HVO-based trucking solutions in the Northwest, and that is very well perceived by our customers. My access is simple. I speak with 2-3 people within the organization, and everything I need gets done.